Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to clean out my fridge and get it organized. As you can see, it's in total disarray. There are pizza boxes in there, which is one of my biggest pet peeves. Once you eat pizza, I always like to put it in a Ziploc bag because those boxes just take up so much unnecessary space. But anyways, I'm just showing you all the before. We're going to take everything out. That's always my first step, and wipe everything down and get it organized and looking good. And then by the end, you'll see my fridge is pretty empty, so I'll show y'all a grocery haul as well. So stay tuned. If you need your fridge cleaned out, clean your fridge out alongside with me. Otherwise, enjoy the video. Make sure y'all subscribe, and let's get started.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what.
Okay, so now that I've pulled most everything out, I'm going through the Tupperware. This macaroni and cheese actually froze. Our fridge has like weird temperature regulation issues, so in certain areas things will freeze. So I'm just rinsing this out. I'm going to pull out all the shelves and wash those down as well. In the produce drawers, I really don't have to take them out because one of my tips I have is I lay down paper towels. It keeps things neat, and like if something goes bad, it doesn't spill, it gets on the paper towel. So I'm going to lay down fresh paper towels. I'll use my vacuum to get some light crumb residue, but other than that, the drawers are good to go. So definitely use paper towels. That helps contain the mess. And then also, if you don't have a refrigerator, like organization bins, highly recommend those because all your sauces and stuff, if they do spill for whatever reason, they get inside the bin but not on the fridge itself. So just some tips for keeping your fridge clean.
To be wilder, I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little.
You guys, I don't know why my cat was on the fridge. Every now and then he'll get on the fridge, but it's like he literally knows when I'm filming, I kid you not, and wants to be in like within, you know, the shot of the camera because like he perfectly placed himself up there. Like, and I swear he doesn't get up there that often, if ever. So, but looking back editing, now he's meowing in the background, but looking back editing, it's like he knows when I'm filming.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Okay, so the last two steps of cleaning out my fridge are I'm taking my Dyson cordless. I love this. If you need a new vacuum, definitely consider getting a Dyson cordless. They're so convenient. They're convenient for quick cleanups. They're convenient for cleaning the inside of your car, your fridge, just little crumb messes. So anyways, I'm going through my produce drawer. Like I mentioned earlier, I lay down paper towel. You'll see in a second here that I'm replacing the paper towels for clean paper towels, but it just makes it so much easier. I don't have to pull these drawers out. A lot of this fridge is hard to pull out because it's up against this wall to the right. So to pull out those drawers is just a huge pain and I struggle with it. So instead I'm just using my vacuum to clean the crumbs. But there I just showed you, like I'm putting down new paper towels, then I'll put my produce back, and it just makes it so much easier next time it's time to clean. So here in a second, I'll do the doors of the fridge, and then I will show y'all what the finished product looks like, and then we'll get into the Kroger grocery haul.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Okay, so I am just showing you guys the after. Other than coffee creamer and ketchup and all the condiments, it is in need of some food. So that's why I'm showing you the Kroger grocery haul next. But I'm just showing y'all everything. Here's the little snack drawer. Okay, so Kroger grocery haul, I always spend about $150 because of coupons. It was like $140, like low 140s. Goldfish for my kids, sour cream. These peanut butter dream. I eat gluten-free. I say that all the time. So these are the two flavors that don't have gluten, and peanut butter cup. Carrots, baked potatoes. These are bomb, y'all. I always get these. The broccoli and cheddar bake, which is like macaroni and cheese with broccoli. And then this tortilla casserole black bean bowl. Some chicken. We're going to do grilled chicken salads, and shrimp. We're going to do shrimp tacos. I got this because that sounds good on shrimp tacos. Pineapple salsa. I don't know if that's focusing. And then refried black beans. My son's eating cereal in the background, sorry. Ground turkey, corn tortillas, strawberries. These, I had these for the first time. I had the mint ones, and they're really good for 100 calories. So I grabbed the sea salt caramel, some yellow squash, broccoli. Milk was on major sale. This was like less than $1, I believe, at Kroger. Key lime chobani. These are always a staple, and I got some turkey ones too. I don't know which ones. They're the turkey ones. Little Bite blueberry muffins, Reese's Puffs. That's a staple in my son's like diet. I've never had this flavor. I was bummed because they had a different flavor at H-E-B and they didn't have the flavor I wanted at Kroger. So I am trying this peanut butter chocolate RX bar and the regular peanut butter bar. Applesauce for my kids. Some of these like cheese and cracker sticks, gluten-free spaghetti, and burgers. And that was our haul. I spent, like I said, 140 something bucks.
You make me smile.